Hello, grade 8, how are you? This is our first lesson in Unit 4. Try to concentrate to get best use of. Okay, the title is for this lesson, How do we use pictures? How do we use pictures? I think we use pictures in a lot of fields and in a lot of usage. I use pictures for a lot of things on social media and also for learning, for teaching people. A lot of people use them in their work field, like engineers. They are very important for them to take photos for the building they build or set up, for example. So sometimes also doctors use them for x-rays and for taking photos for the patient before the operation and after it. So they are very important. I know three ways in which pictures help us communicate better than words. In these scientific uses, they are so important because they can make us investigate a lot and I think more deeper. When you look at the picture in lesson 1, what effect do you have? I think when I look at a picture, I have certain effect, certain impact on me. Maybe I'm so impressed, whether sadly or happily. A picture is worth 1,000 words. Yeah, I think so. And I'm convinced of this sentence. A picture is worth 1,000 words. What do you think this means? I think this means that picture is stronger or has stronger impact or effect more than words. What do you think this means? We said this is for my explanation. What about yours? What can we learn from pictures? That we can learn from words, we can learn a lot. If we if we consider in our mind learning language, we can learn all language with pictures, without speaking or translating in Arabic, for example. But are pictures better at communication? Pictures are better at communication because they visualize or they make us feel what we see, make us feel or believe this person in specific because he has an evidence with him for all what is happening around him. They are in words only, for example. They make us so thrilled with events like the pictures on news, for example. Why we take pictures? To capture and keep memories, to share them with friends and family, to identify people, to capture important events and spread events, to advertise and sell things, to make money, to be creative, to communicate and share stories. These are the uses of the picture or taking picture: to keep memories, this is the first thing, to share them with friends and family, to identify people, to capture important events, to spread events, to advertise and sell things, to make money, to be creative, to communicate and share stories. What kinds of pictures do you enjoy looking at and why? How do pictures make us feel? Next lesson is reading an article about a photography. Kind of picture I enjoy looking at, maybe for me, looking at the new fashion for me and the scientific techniques for me also. Any useful article that may benefit me in my life, anything that can be used in teaching, and it's visualized in a picture, for example. We should identify an author's point of view or viewpoint. We should pay attention to compound adjective. Compound adjective is noun plus present participle. Now we can take pictures of almost anything. What kind of animal do you think this is? This is for our lesson. What size do you imagine it as? And what do you take pictures of? Okay, this is the picture for the animal itself. Try to guess key phrases describing pictures. It's out of focus, blurry. I can't make it out clearly, but it looks like in the foreground or background, on the left, on the right, you can't really tell what that is. Discuss the question: which picture or what pictures do you most enjoy taking and looking at? I think the most enjoyable pictures for me are fashion, concerning ladies, for example, and also concerning education, for example, Also concerning technology, concerning any new invention that came to us. Number two, why do some people love taking pictures of themselves? They are proud of themselves, their achievements, or that they're successful. For example, because they want to see what they have achieved, or to know about it, or to be proud or know about their achievements and how it affects people. For example, to keep their sweet memories in their minds and in the minds of the others. A lot of answers and a lot of things I only make you eager to answer and to write. Use this in your writing paragraphs, also in your reading. Try to read more and try to finish your study. Thank you. Enjoyed my time for you. See Manafat. Thank you.